SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Next week, is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Especially now looking at SMCI, well, it's in a very beautiful demand zone, but I'm going to be very honest with you, this doesn't make it an immediate buy here, right? Yes, I've done well over 45,000 videos over the last 5 years and documented them all, but the only thing that I care about in this case is a double break confirmation, because I've been just really trying to milk this thing up, and I milked it up throughout the way. It was not just always wins. I've got like 4 wins, like 2 losses and a break even, and here's where it kind of began from this pump. At the time, the price was already sitting at about $33, and from here, from 33 bucks, it went to 62, almost a double. And since it came down, it doesn't make it an immediate long, you know what I mean? It first must give me the rules in a double shift, and if that doesn't happen, then I'm not going to be buying, you know what I mean? So I'll continue to keep you updated, and I do have a bunch of receipts with SMCI in the Discord. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.